Hi guys, how are you today? So now I am in Unitop, Iligan City, and let's go. I'm checking something to buy for my family. So maybe TV nga dako, like 55 inches. So let's see, let's check inside. Let's go guys. Unitop in Iligan City. I cannot see. There you are. So let's go inside. Dugaya pod sa akong mama oy. Grabe ilahang mga soundbox here. I really like the soundbox with the colors, no? For this one was 8,000 lang siya. So this one is big soundbox, very nice. Nice. Dili ko ganahan kanang magdugay-dugay pa mi. So I'm checking this one. 55 inches siya, 50 inches. So I think this one is 55 inches. Ace. So this one is 55 inches. May gusto ako. I like this one, gold color on siya, galing gamay manggod siya. So this one is 18,000. I really love this one because it's a smart TV and gold color ang design niya sa gilid. So I'm gonna inquire if meron ba siyang mas malaki na gold yung alikod. Ayan guys. Sobrang busy ko talaga as in. Kadugay ba ni Mother Tito? Asa naman? Akong Motherski, ma-video ko. Dali. Gold ang color niya. And then smart TV na siya. So, why I like smart TV? Because I connected the Wi-Fi. Iko-connect ko sa bahay by Friday. So, dito, sila mother, pwede niya sila manood ng mga movie. Because it's smart TV. So, sa baba, this one is 25,000 for the big one. Echo. I like this one also, smart TV. Wow. For this one, smart TV. Ayan oh. Yeah, this one. See? So, no. Ayan na yan ang mga Ayan ko din ang 4B. I like straight.